In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule your post in WordPress. Scheduling is a great way to plan ahead so your content goes live exactly when you want, even if you're away from your keyboard. Let's walk through the process clearly and simply so you can set it once and trust that WordPress will publish it on time. First, open your WordPress dashboard and head into the editor for the content you want to publish. This can be a post or a page. The scheduling steps are the same. Make sure you're working on the correct draft and give your post a quick once-over so the title, body, categories, and featured image are ready to go. Next, look for the settings panel in the editor. It's the sidebar that shows details about your content. If you don't see it, click the settings icon to toggle it open. This panel is where WordPress keeps important controls like visibility, URL, and the publish date. Inside that sidebar, switch to the tab that applies to what you're editing. If you're scheduling a blog entry, open the Post tab. If you're scheduling a static page, open the Page tab. This ensures you're adjusting settings for the content itself, not for a specific block inside your content. Now find the Publish section, often labeled Status and Visibility. Look for the Publish field. By default, is usually set to Immediately, which means your content would go live right away. Click that Date field to open the Date and Time picker. Choose the date and, if available, the exact time you want your content to go live. Pick a future date to schedule it. Take a moment to confirm the time zone your site uses so the schedule matches your audience's expectations. Once a future date is selected, WordPress treats your content as scheduled and will release it automatically at the time you've set. Before you move on, consider previewing your content to double-check layout, links, and images. If you need to change the schedule later, simply reopen the same Publish Date field and pick a new date or switch it back to Immediately if you decide to publish now. You can also return at any time to adjust categories, tags, or featured images without affecting the chosen schedule. That's all there is to it. By opening your content in the editor, revealing the settings panel, selecting the correct content tab, clicking the Publish Date and choosing your desired date, you've successfully scheduled your post in WordPress. Happy publishing, and I'll see you in the next one.